Hello and welcome back to AmNowTech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock a folder on your PC, on any folder on your PC. Now, if you want to do this, we have this folder here. So if you want to lock it, just right click on it, click on Properties. Once you go to Properties, on General tab, just click on Advanced Options. Under the Advanced, now you come to Encrypt Content to secure data. So click on that and click on OK. Now, once you click on that, then just click on Apply. As you can see, these are two options which you can apply changes to folder only, that is only the main folder. When you open inside, there are the other folders which are inside, you should be able to access them easily. Applying the changes with the subfolders, that includes inside folders which are inside it, which they will all be locked. So but we are going to apply only on the Surface folder, so just click on apply changes to this folder only, then click on OK, and then you apply. Now you click on OK, and as you can see, now you can see this is the lockup file. So once done, now if you want to unlock the folder, just right click on it, click on File Ownership, and then click on Personal, and now the folder is unlocked. So that is just how easy and simple it is to lock a folder on your PC in Windows 10. If this video was helpful, kindly follow us, like and subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.